Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now after a long time I'm talking about the Chainlink. You can see your guys, and it's good news for all Chainlink holders because the changes of Chainlink is going positive in the market. So that's why I'm telling you that it's good news for all of you guys, and I'm very happy to see these positive changes after a long time, guys. So very congratulations all Chainlink holders, and guys, I believe that for a long time Chainlink will continue this pump for a long time, guys. Now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Chainlink is positive. So this means that after a long fast, after a big fast, Chainlink start moving upward, guys. The right now price about Chainlink is about 26.88 USD dollar. That is right now price. And if we talk about more the Chainlink price, so you can see now they are going straight to the moon, guys. Chainlink is going to the moon. Are you ready? Obviously everybody is ready to go to the moon, guys. But possibilities, guys, that in the mid of October the price will dump for a short time, but don't worry, just hold it and forget it. 12.87% the price pump in last 3 days. That's good changes, not a bad. So obviously, guys, now you're all those people who's holding Chainlink, so I think they are in the profit because now from last 7 days Chainlink's move are very good, guys. I really like this move. Anyways, what is your opinion about Chainlink? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.